glamorous life of bus ownership.
Yeah.
What's wrong there, Paul?
Well, I can't get my key to turn. I just
Is it the right key?
Yes, it's the right key. Yeah, I didn't just change the key from the one that I was driving around with. Oh, well, that came out. I mean, there's like water pouring in this.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It goes in nice. The trick is to pull it out a little bit more.
Maybe take it, if you get a small flathead, maybe just take it in there, just rake the lock a bit, just in case the pin's getting stuck.
Yeah. That's got to be what it is.
You could dump some PB blaster or something in there.
That's what I was thinking.
Not
spray
really what's right for it, but for in this case, who cares?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. This is what Jason recommended.
All right then. And then just work the key up and down for a minute.
That spray was good. It went right in there.
Because it'll get into the pins and all that.
It definitely feels like not all the pins are pressing against the key, but it's
Could be. You might have a weak spring.
Better.
Yeah, you might have a weak spring or something, or one of them stuck. And then spray it again, and then do it one more time. There you go.
I'm enjoying
Oh,
this.
you give it to it good.
Everything you do on a car can be turned sexual. Everything.
Oh, your name fell.
I lost my name. No, still not turning.
Why is it causing so many problems all of a sudden?
Well, I hadn't taken it out yet.
Oh, why did you take it out?
Oh. 'Cause I don't want to leave it here parked overnight with the key in it.
You did last night.
I did last night because I didn't want to risk this, but actually that was two days ago.
Okay, well, whatever.
Maybe after sitting for a while.
Sure, it magically.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I just left it on the whole time. I'm sure it's magically working. Because that's how everything fixes itself. You just let it sit.
Yeah. Gotta let that PB blast.
Blast it.
Yeah, soak in there a little bit. Maybe it needs more. I know some people that can't use PB Blaster because they hate the smell of it so bad. It doesn't bother me that bad. I don't think it's that bad.
There you go.
Mr. Negative Nancy Naysayer over there.
Now whether it'll start. Looking good. It probably ran out of gas.
Maybe it ran out of gas. Well, progress.
Progress.
Master Volkswagen mechanic here.
You?
Huh?
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who else?
All it takes is PB blaster and duct tape.
And bungee cords.
And bungee cords.
Crazy. Got my race fuel tank here.
It's like 300 octane in there.
Got a little.
Whoa.
It's a waste of gas.
Yes, it is.
Smells good. That's Atlas. I love that though. Those wheels that are on it, those are Porsche spare tires. steel wheels. They're the same size as a Porsche. He does Porsche brakes on it. They come out as looking kind of cool for steelies, you know.
What do you think? Should we gonna start?
Yeah. Just let the system prime a little bit. I'm gonna leave it before I kill the battery and have Jason look at it so it'd be over. That's a common thing though. When you run out of gas in a Volkswagen, you crank it, try to get it back to the carburetor, and you quit just before it's almost there because it does take a lot. But fuel pumps that these run on is only like 8 psi or something, super low. I'm gonna leave it.
Quitter. Is it idling on its own yet?
I don't think so.
No. Nice.
Might be. But a lot of times the pressure comes off the pedal, and then it's doing better now. But when I was like letting go, like it would eventually like ease back off. You know what I'm saying? So I just have to keep fluttering it. But actually, that's
Doing
better.
pretty well right now.
Yeah, that's way better. We gotta run all this old gas out.